Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and this topic is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit shown. The circuit represents A. Bandpass filter, B. Voltage controlled oscillator, C. Amplitude modulator, D. Monostable multivibrator. The right option for this one is D. It represents a monostable multivibrator. Look at the diagram carefully whether the circuit is having negative feedback or positive feedback. So output is going to be taken, a sample of output is connected towards non-inverting terminal. Whenever it is connecting non-inverting terminal, this is going to be treated as positive feedback op amp. The op amp is given with positive feedback, and positive feedback is only used in oscillators and multivibrators. So the right option may be either B or D. So it cannot be a band pass filter, it cannot be amplitude demodulator. So this A and C are going to require negative feedback. A and C requires negative feedback. So these are not the options because the given circuit is given with positive feedback. And both voltage controlled oscillator and monostable multivibrator, both will be requires a positive feedback. So this also requires positive feedback, this also requires positive feedback. So out of these two things, which can be the answer? We are saying that one monostable multivibrator is the right option. Voltage controlled oscillator VCO can be generally implemented either using Hartley oscillator. This is most popular. Using Hartley oscillator it will realize. Otherwise it may be realized using Colpitts oscillator. Colpitts oscillator. So voltage controlled oscillator is going to be implemented with, it is not Colpitts, it is only implemented with Hartley oscillator. Hartley oscillator is nothing but which will be having two inductors and a one capacitor circuit like this. Okay, this is the feedback circuit for the Hartley oscillator, which will be having two inductors and one capacitor, and the capacitor is going to be replaced with a PN junction, where PN junction under reverse bias. Okay, it act as voltage control, uh, that is voltage variable resistor. It is voltage variable capacitor or varicap. It act as voltage variable capacitor or varicap or variable capacitor, that can be used for a capacitor, and then Hartley oscillator is going to be used for the voltage controlled oscillations. But VCO, if it is VCO, at that time that must include inductors. But whether the circuit is consisting of inductors, it doesn't have any inductor. That implies nothing but it is not implementing the voltage controlled oscillator. What it is indicating is nothing but only monostable multivibrator. Since no inductor is present in the circuit, it cannot implement Hartley oscillator. Okay, and it doesn't have any inductors, so only the option is nothing but monostable multivibrator. This circuit is nothing but monostable multivibrator. Thank you.